Hey everyone, I'm Jason Odell, luminescentphoto.com, and welcome back. I got a special treat today because my friends at B&H Photo sent me a Nikon 50mm 1.2 S lens for Nikon Z mount. So this is a full frame 50mm lens, very fast aperture. So the other day I was comparing the 50mm 1.8 lenses, and today we're going to unbox the 50mm 1.2 S. So nice black box. Kind of missed the gold boxes. Anyway, let's take a look and see what we got in here as we open up our box. So typical. Here is the soft pouch. I almost never use these, so I keep them in the box. And unpacking layer number one. We have some styrofoam inserts. Oh, exciting. Okay, we have the warranty card. I keep these in my box. I keep the boxes safe and in a dry place. So don't lose your warranty card. You'll need that if you ever need service. We have the instruction booklet. Okay, yay. And then wrapped up nice and neatly, we have this beast of a lens. I mean, this is, wow. This is a heavy lens. Okay, I can tell you that right now. This is a beast of a lens. Look at this guy here. Okay, there's some plastic film on the lens hood itself, which I will try to remove. Okay, so there's the hood. I'm going to leave this plastic film on for now. I'm not going to take that off. But this is a big lens. It has a massive front element, front and rear caps. On the sides, you've got the display here. So this is a multi-function LCD panel. It's illuminated, so it'll show you things like aperture, focus distance, scale, that kind of stuff. It's got, and you toggle that with this little button here. And then there's an LFN, that's the function button, which you can assign in your Z camera to different functions, say auto exposure lock or AF lock or even autofocus activation. And then we have the typical AM. This is the auto manual focus override switch. So you can do it right from the lens. So you can put your camera into manual focus without having to do anything on the camera. So that is, I want to show you this now next to the 1.8 lens, little brother. Okay, so here's the 50 1.8S. Here is the 50 1.2S. So that that extra stop plus, you're getting a lot, and the difference in weight is tremendous. So I'm going to put this on my Nikon Z7 here so we can fire this up and see how it works. And take off my camera cap. I mean, this is just a beast of a lens. That rear front element comes all the way out, so you're going to be careful on that. Put this on here. Fire up the Z. Okay, now what you can see is that that multi-function display is lighting up. You can see as I change focus scale. If I press display, it's going to change. So now it shows you, we've got the aperture readout. And you can use this multi-function ring to change your aperture like I'm doing right now. You can use it to change exposure compensation. This little ring here is also configured in your Nikon Z's custom settings. If I press this one more time, I get the display scale. And as I stop down, maybe you can see this, as I change the apertures, there's a little line in there. You see that? And that little line extends. That's the hyperfocal distance. So as you can see, as I stop down, that line gets wider. Looking through here, absolutely, it is absolutely, I got to put my camera into autofocus. How about that, Jason? Good job. Okay. And I can see everything. Look at that. What do you know? Hey, hi friends. Anyway, you can open this all the way up to f1.2. And I'll tell you right now, I'll take some test shots later. You talk about out of focus background, this lens is going to deliver that. So who is this for? This lens costs over $2,000. So not on my Christmas list this year or holiday wish list. But if you are a serious portrait, wedding, or event photographer, not as much for doing inside stuff, although that's what you kind of think low light, but if you really want to get those out of focus backgrounds, that bokeh, then this is something, and you make your living doing this, then this might be something you could consider. In the meantime, I've still got my little brother here. I'm going to mess with that more. So until next time, I'm Jason Odell, luminescentphoto.com. Happy shooting.